My sister gifted me her old laptop because she got a new one. Now I will try to clean this because it's not that clean and it's quite filthy. I really tried to clean this mark. I even used some soap and water to clean this, but it didn't work. If you guys have any ideas on how to clean this, then please let me know. That would help me out a lot, and it's actually T mark if you guys are wondering. This tool is not mine, it's my brother's, okay? I got this liquid screen protector as a gift. I don't know how well it will work, but I think it should get the job done for this one. After applying this, I had to wait for 1 hour. I really did try to attach the sticker properly, but it didn't work, and I didn't wanted to remove it because if I removed it, it would leave a mark and I don't know I would be able to remove it or not. So that's why I'm keeping the sticker as it is. Now let's turn it on. Okay, it's not turning on. That could mean two things. One, there's no charge, and another thing could be I broke something while cleaning the laptop. I really hope I didn't broke this laptop. Okay, it works after charging, and just look at the before and after shots. I also restored my old iPod. Watch the video on the screen to find out what happened.